Mining is the foundation of modern technology, from smartphones to renewable energy. But here's the elephant in the room. While mining drives progress, it also causes land disturbances, ecosystem damage, and rising emissions. What we need is a solution that reduces these impacts, boosts efficiency, and creates a cleaner future. And that's where a new player steps in, one that is set to reshape the way we approach mining, RIINO.
Traditional mining relies on haul trucks moving across busy, high-traffic areas, creating the potential for collisions with hazardous interactions. RIINO eliminates that risk entirely. By operating on a fixed rail system, there's no need for roads, no uncontrolled vehicle movement, and no risk of heavy machinery interfacing with workers, reducing long-term costs and minimizing environmental disturbance.
The RIINO system is very modular and scalable. It consists of a track system that can be assembled almost like a IKEA furniture. So when you kind of look at this type of a system, you can imagine that it can be applied in a micro-mobility in an urban environment, such as almost like an Uber network on elevated tracks. That allows them to go up to 25% incline, and then on flat terrain, they can achieve high speed of up to 124 kilometers per hour.
It's a fully automated system, similar to how subways safely transport people in major cities, but designed for moving materials in mining. Reliability is another key advantage. Unlike traditional haulage systems that depends on road conditions, weather, and frequent refueling, RIINO's rail-based design ensures continuous operation with minimal failure points. The system's advanced traction technology allows it to run smoothly regardless of the terrain or environmental conditions. And with predictive maintenance technology, we can monitor system performance in real time, identifying potential issues before they turn into costly breakdowns. When it comes to productivity, RIINO is built for efficiency. It operates continuously with scheduled maintenance intervals, designed for quick inspections and wear part replacements, minimizing downtime and keeping operations running at a peak performance. The result? A safer, more reliable, and more cost-effective solution for the future of mining. Even for off-grid sites, our technology is compatible with diesel generators as a traditional power source. And even in those cases, diesel generators operate more efficiently than haul trucks. Plus, with regenerative braking, RIINO captures and recycles energy during decline operations, putting power back into the system and improving overall efficiency.
Standards will only continue to increase across the board. Mining's going to become more challenged as grades are depleted, and mining companies seek to exploit resources in more difficult to access and remote locations. In the case of Monteverde, in 2025, we're going to reach 50% of our energy consumption by renewable sources. So it's often the case that the bulk of the emissions stems from the haulage fleet, from the spokes. And this is one of the reasons we are interested in RIINO.
I think the future for the RIINO technology is very bright. I think the mining application really revolutionized the whole industry. But also beyond that, when you look at the scalability of this track system, we can adapt that for urban electric network transportation system for micro-mobility application.
At its core, RIINO isn't just replacing diesel haul trucks. It's redefining the way materials are moved in mining. By eliminating infrastructure-heavy, high-maintenance, and fuel-dependent systems, we're paving the way for a safer, more efficient, and more sustainable future for the industry.